What's up, YouTube? It's your boy James back with another video. And today I have two sneaker unboxings that I want to share with you guys. Now, I hit both of these sneakers on the Nike Sneakers app on back-to-back days last week. And one of these sneakers just came out, and I think it's a dope sneaker, and I'm happy that I was able to add it to my collection. And then the other sneaker is pretty much like a grail, like to me. It's probably going to be a grail to a lot of people in the future. But I really wanted this sneaker for months, and I've just taken L after L after L after L. This sneaker has restocked, and every time it restocks, I get the L on it. I haven't been able to secure it. And I was about to give up and pay resale, but then the Nike Sneakers app restocked it for the Jordan Reserve, and your boy hit. So in today's video, I'm going to unbox both of these sneakers and share my thoughts with them with you. We recently just passed 2,000 subscribers on the channel, so I just want to take a moment out to thank you guys that made that possible. So to all my OGs out there that have been rocking with me since day one, thank you. To all my new subscribers that have been watching my videos, thank you. Getting to 2,000 subscribers on YouTube is not an easy thing to do. So, you know, I'm not taking this milestone lightly. Now, I know some people get there a lot faster than I did. I've been on YouTube for 12 months. It took me 12 months to get to 2,000. But some people never get to 2,000 at all, guys. So, you know what I mean? I'm humbled that you guys continue to support me, and I appreciate it greatly. But if this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is James, and I do content on sneakers, gear, and sports-related items. And if you like content like that, you can stick around by hitting that subscribe button and hitting that notification bell. I got a lot of dope content coming up over like the next week or two. I got some early sneaker reviews and some other dope content planned, guys. So keep an eye out for those videos. Alright guys, so these are the two boxes that I got from the Nike Sneakers app. Hit these on back-to-back days. I couldn't believe it when I hit it. So we're going to start with the bigger box first. And let's open these up. But I'm really excited for one of these sneakers. I wanted both of these sneakers, but I'm very excited about the one. Like super excited. Like I couldn't wait to make this video so that I could open up the box. So this first box right here, you guys are gonna know what it is. These just came out. And here's the box right there. And on this one, this says Air Jordan 12 Retro, white, black, university red. This is a personal pair, size 8. This retailed for $190. Now, I know that this sneaker got a little bit of hate. Some people passed on it. They weren't feeling it. It was too white and things like that. But I thought that this shoe was fire. And I always buy what I like. So, we got the Jordan 12 Twist. Now, I don't know how good that's coming up. I know when you make videos of white sneakers, it kind of washes out a little bit. But first impression of this sneaker, actually in hand, yo, this is fire, man. Like, I'm glad I hit on this. Now, it is an all-white sneaker with some little bit of red hits on it. You do get black laces with that, so that's pretty cool. But this was a sneaker that I wanted. I just feel like I'm going to rock it the rest of the summer. You can definitely match this with pretty much anything, so I mean, it was definitely something that I really wanted to add to my collection. I'm glad that a lot of people slept on it because it was easier for me to obtain. Honestly, in hand, this is a very nice sneaker. I can't believe people slept on these. Normally 12s are, you know, pretty sought after. And I know that this is a white sneaker and just people just don't like white sneakers, but in my opinion, this was a must cop for me. You know, I'm probably in the minority on this one, as far as like what people on YouTube say. But, you know, I buy what I like. You know, just look at the back of that sneaker. That's fire. You know what I'm saying? And I like white sneakers, guys. I just do. The materials on this sneaker isn't bad either. I mean, like this leather here, right here around the ankle and like the upper and all that, it's pretty tumbled and it's alright. It's not like premium, but it's pretty good. And, you know, if you slept on this and, you know, it's something that you might want to pick up or you've been thinking about it, I recommend it. This is a very nice sneaker. Over time, I think the prices will go up. Right now, they're cheap. You can get this for like $230, $240, you know, something like that on GOAT or eBay or something. But, you know, over time, I think this is probably going to go up. You know, maybe like that $275, $300 range in like year and a half. But, you know, it was something that I wanted to add to my collection. I actually can't wait to put these on feet and, you know, throw outfits together with it because, you know, I just think this is a fire sneaker. And now to the one that I've been waiting for the most, guys. I've been taking so many L's on this sneaker. I pretty much gave up. I didn't think I would ever get it. And then when it restocked for that Jordan Reserve, man, I put in for every single one that they had, except for the, what did they have? The Jordan 5s, but I already had those, so I couldn't put in a claim for those. But I put in a claim for, you know, pretty much everything else they have, hoping that I would get something, preparing for nothing. But when I got these, Man, I was actually at work and I started screaming, and everybody at my work was looking at me like, what is wrong with him? And then I showed some of my buddies, like, bam! So you got the, obviously guys, this is an Air Jordan 1 box. And take a look at them together. Oh. Oh, look at this right here. I got the Jordan 1 Hyper Royals. My bad, guys. I was so excited I didn't even read the size tag to you. So it says Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Hyper Royal White. And this is a personal pair. Size 8. Retail was $170. But yeah, I was so excited, man. I'm sorry I forgot that part. But BOW! Yeah. You don't know how happy I am to get these sneakers. I mean, just L after L after L after L. And yeah, normally I would have just paid that resale, but I've been trying to, be a little bit more selective as far as like going out and spending $400, $500 on every pair of sneakers just because I catch L's. So, you can't pay $400 or $500 for everything. You know what I'm saying? Like, and I try not to do it, but like, I probably would have eventually, but the prices probably would have kept going up on it and I probably would have ended up paying more. But to get these for retail, $170, I'm so grateful, I'm so thankful. This is such a fire sneaker. Guys, the Air Jordan 1 Hyper Royal. Let me know down in the comment section if you copped anything from the Jordan Reserve, anything from that restock. I know they have the Shadow 2.0 Jordan 1s. They have the Patina Jordan 1s, which I didn't really want, but I would have took them. What else did they have? They had the Raging Bull 5s, which I already had, so I couldn't put in a claim for that. And yeah, man, like, wow. But I hit on the Hyper Royals. The Hyper Royals. And another thing, I like the white laces in the Hyper Royals, but I've seen some people rock it with the blue laces, and I gotta tell you, like, I'm probably gonna put the blue laces in these. I probably am. I just think it just makes it just pop so much more with these laces. So normally I don't lace swap a whole lot or anything like that, but this is probably one pair that I will. But guys, let me know down in the comment section what do you think about my pickups that I just got from the Nike Sneakers app. And shout out to the Nike Sneakers app for finally letting me hit on something really, really great. I appreciate you. I'm sorry for everything bad I said. Please let me hit on them Travis Scotts. Thank you. I'd like to thank you all for rocking out with me and watching another video. I appreciate each and every single one of you guys. Thank you guys so much for everything. Please be on the lookout for my upcoming videos. I got some straight bangers for you guys. Before you guys bounce out, if you haven't already done so, please hit that like button for your boy. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss any content on sneakers, gear, or sports related items. And until next video, peace.